Hi, welcome to my studio. Today topic is atmospheric landscape. What it is a painting that uses hazy focus, soft edges, muffled colors. It's created by elements like color, saturation, details, value, give illusion of a distance. Basically, all it is that you have air, which is usually blue, they create this kind of hazy effects. However, in a certain part of the countries, the haze is will be yellowish, like in Oklahoma, because of the red clay we have here. So the surface of the street should be bluish rather than yellow. And so I want to show you how I did it in Oklahoma. It's a back road going to the school, so you can see it how the effect the little red clay affect the streets, back roads in Oklahoma. So let's see how I did it, and see you at my painting easel. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is a little simple sketch of the road. It's a back road leading to middle school somewhere in Oklahoma. Idea is of emphasize on the illusion of the distance. Right now I'm mapping the sky. I'm using many times. I'm using the rag. Just gonna speed up the process. Plus, I want to have a first layer, or some people could say for first coat. And I'm mixing with spatulas and brushes. It depends how I'm going to accomplish this task. In atmospheric landscape, usually people emphasize hazy focus, soft edges, muted colors. I'll be working more on elements like color saturation. Since Oklahoma has a lot of little dust and red clay, the roads are usually instead bluish, they're kind of like more yellowish and scented with vegetation. They're more warm colors. Right now, I'm just working on skies, and which normally would be blue, but there was a windy time when I was taking these pictures, and so I want to show the. In the close-ups, you can see it. I'm working on the little spatulas and to give a texture to the sky, and I also doing this with vegetation and roads, and you can see it. It's just kind of like a nice texture of the sky. Oils give you this ability to work a little like impasto. Back to the roads, I'll be changing this from brushes to spatulas and squeegees. And like you see, the sky is kind of a little bit blurry, but it's just about to form the clouds. I love to work with spatulas and squeegees. For some reason, I like to leave it this little texture in my mark, and it's never the same, and create a kind of like a little bit movement. It's what I was after. It was a little windy, so I want to show this little particles flying. Right now in this close-up, I want to show you the Oklahoma wasn't flat like most people think. It's just kind of little hilly or bumps, and working now on those little bushes. I want to show you the movement and but at the same time I want to kind of blur and use this out of focus or hazy focus, sort of give this atmospheric feeling. Some people call atmospheric landscape. On a close-up, you can see it's a lot going on. It's a little texture and those little lines and marks of the brushes or squeegees create this little action. And I want to show that it's a little windy, but I don't want to also emphasize on the details. And this is a little kind of like a composition where I decided to have it. One side is very generic and bulk, and then the right side would be just electric poles and telephone poles with little elements of signage showing there's getting closer to the school area with a light flashing. And another idea was to not go on a little focus and details. I just want to just kind of show the just little Oklahoma landscape. Nothing to it. Right now you can see it. I'm trying to develop the little sign. Oh, I forgot to say it. I use a lot of blue little pipe when I made it, so it's kind of helped me to not put my hand on the painting. So, and if I work on details, that's what I'm using a lot. A lot of times people call this a painting stick. Painting is just about to finish. I just put a little shadow of the little telephone electric poles and as you see it, the road's supposed to be a little bit bluish. That's asphalt, but because of the dust of the clay, and you become like a little yellow, and just kind of that's how really roads, back roads in Oklahoma sometimes looks like. The dust doing this a lot of funny things, and just about to finish the little sign, the little zigzag line telling people or drivers there's approaching close to the school zone. I hope you like this presentation, and you have any questions, just drop me a note below the video, and this is it. See you next time, and in my studio and our painting easel.